How to transfer files from Android to iPhone using SHAREit. Download and install SHAREit on Android phone and on iPhone. Go to SHAREit on Android phone. Click on Send. Then select the videos or pictures files to send. And then click Send. Add only the permission this app needs. Then click Next. Go to SHAREit on iPhone, click on Receive. On Android phone, click on Connect to iOS. Nextly, a hotspot will be created on your Android phone, then click Continue. On iPhone, click on Connect to Android, then scan the QR code displayed on your Android phone. Then click on Join. When your devices are connected, start sending large files. You can send videos files from iPhone to Android by clicking on the Send.